Welcome back to Ultimate Top 10. Today, we're counting down the top 10 most livable cities of 2024. Whether you're thinking about relocating or just curious about the best places to live, this list has got you covered. Let's dive right in. Number 10, Tokyo, Japan. Known for its exceptional safety, advanced public transportation, and vibrant culture, Tokyo offers a high quality of life with an impressive blend of modernity and tradition. Number 9, Copenhagen, Denmark. This city shines with its green spaces, bike-friendly streets, and high standard of living. Copenhagen is not only eco-conscious but also a hub of innovation and cultural richness. Number 8, Sydney, Australia. With its stunning harbour, beautiful beaches, and diverse population, Sydney offers an excellent quality of life and a great work-life balance in a vibrant, multicultural environment. Number 7, Zurich, Switzerland. Known for its outstanding healthcare, low crime rates, and high standard of living, Zurich combines efficiency with picturesque landscapes, making it a top choice for many. Number 6, Vienna, Austria. This city boasts excellent public transport, a rich cultural scene, and a high level of personal safety. Vienna's charm and quality of life make it one of the most desirable places to live in Europe. Number 5, Melbourne, Australia. Known for its vibrant arts scene, high-quality education, and diverse culinary options, Melbourne provides a dynamic and enriching lifestyle. Number 4, Amsterdam, Netherlands. This city stands out with its charming canals, bike-friendly infrastructure, and progressive policies. Amsterdam offers a high quality of life and a welcoming atmosphere. Number 3, Vancouver, Canada. Renowned for its breathtaking natural beauty, excellent healthcare, and vibrant cultural scene, Vancouver is a city that balances urban living with an abundance of outdoor activities. Number 2, Singapore. This city-state is celebrated for its cleanliness, efficient public services, and high safety standards. Singapore's blend of modernity and cultural heritage makes it an exceptional place to live. Number 1, Toronto, Canada. With its diverse population, excellent healthcare system, and vibrant cultural scene, Toronto truly stands out as the best place to live this year. Its inclusivity and high quality of life make it a top choice for residents from around the globe. That wraps up our countdown of the top 10 most livable cities of 2024. Do you agree with our list? Let us know your thoughts and favorite cities in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.